Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's QFX, Quentin Pierce. However you know me, I'm here, and I'm here to help y'all with y'all trading. Hope everybody is having a great trading day, great trading week, great trading month. You know the vibes, man. We in this bitch. Let's get it. I'm not finna waste a lot of time at all. My last video was like 27 minutes long. It was too long, bro. So what I want to do for you guys, I actually want to break down the 6.4K trade that I took on FTMO and the brokers that they use. It was one of my biggest trades that I've hit in the last couple months, so I really just want to review it. I've actually had a couple people ask me to review it as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the charts. I'm going to put that same trade that I had, I'm going to lay it right out on the charts. And then I'm going to explain all the confluences and everything that led up to me taking this trade and why I took the trade. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's jump into the chart. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what made me put on this position to make this 6.4K. Let's get it, man. I'll see you at the charts.
Many months later.
Alright, y'all, so here we are on the charts. So this is the exact trade, you guys. It was pretty much a 4.5 risk to reward ratio, which is very nice. We risked about 22 pips on this entry. Okay, y'all, so I'm back into one of my trading accounts, so I can actually show y'all the 6.4K right here. So that's the 6.4K that I made on that one trade. It was one single trade. You guys can see 6.4 again. You guys can see 6.4 again. This is actually what I wanted to show you because this is the trading log, or the trading journal. Sorry about that. But you guys can see my GBPJPY right here. I put in a 9.2 lot basically. Caught pretty much 100 pips, so it's about 94 pips on this trade. 6.4K, yeah, you can literally see 94.3 pips on this trade. 3 hours in this trade. Very proud of this one. So now we go back to the chart. And I'll tell you exactly why I took this trade while making it short and sweet at the same time. You gotta have your confluences stacked up. You have to have multiple reasons for getting into this trade. Let's see right here. You guys can see this little support that we have right here. Price made support right here. You can also see that we had the support right on 165 even. Yep, support right here on 165 even. Honestly, if you want to get even further into it, you could even say 164, 750 QP. Got respected a little bit. You can see right here and right here. So you can see the touches. You can see all the support right here, right on our psych level. 165 even and 164, 750 QP. Price was in this downtrend right here. Price also broke structure. I want you to pay attention to this, you guys. Price, boom, lower high, boom, lower high, boom, lower high, boom. You see price really failed. I mean, price did make a lower low, but it really failed to make a low. So what happened is we came up and we ranged over here, and then we shot all the way up here, breaking this 4 hour and this 1 hour downtrend structure. So you guys, the 4 hour and the 1 hour downtrend structure was broken. So that means that it was no longer valid. So that means the market is shifting from a lower time frame bearish bias to a bullish bias. So once I saw that, you know, price was getting support right here, we had this humongous engulfing candle with this nice swing low right here that I'm actually going to point out. It was a low on the hour and the 4 hour time frame as well. So I'm actually going to point out this low right here. This is an important low. Keep this low in mind, you guys. Keep in mind that it is also higher than this low. I love looking for higher lows and lower low setups. This is a higher low right here because it is higher than this low. This high is higher than this one. So we have a higher low with a bullish engulfing candle on the hour. It is very, very strong. So I see price launch up right here. I see price get into this low resistance area. Then I see price fall. I know now that price should be going bullish on the lower time frames because of the recent lower time frame structure on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Also this break of structure right here. I know for a fact that 95% of traders lose money. So I knew for a fact that traders were going to look at this right here as a resistance area. So I was looking for that to get tagged. I was looking for, in other words, I was looking for that to get blown through, and I was looking for that for this resistance to be invalid. So what happened, you guys, is I see price setting up right here. Price made this 1 hour higher low. Again, this low is higher than the previous one. Saw the low right here. I said, okay, so price is making more uptrend structure on the lower time frame. So I went on the 30-minute time frame. Y'all can see right here on this 30-minute time frame, we went up, we went down, and we were getting ready to go up again and make a higher low on an even lower time frame. Another thing, you guys, is I noticed that price was respecting a QP and a psych level. 165, 250 right here, you guys can see that it clearly got respected. You guys can see that right there. It's obvious. Then right here, another one. 165, 500 even. 165, 500 even. That made me basically, this level right here made it comfortable for me to only have a 21 pip stop loss, because I see that price is respecting this 165, 500 level. So I was like, okay, if price is respecting it, I can put my stop loss below it, and this level should hold, and it did. I saw that it was respecting 165, 250 QP as well, so I knew price was going to get some, or I had a strong feeling, because we never know what's going to happen in the foreign exchange market, you guys. I had a strong feeling that price was going to continue to go bullish off these lower time frame QPs and psych levels, especially this psych level 165, 500. Because the 500s and the even psych levels, like 165 even and 165 500, they seem to get respected more than the QPs do, in my opinion. All right, guys, so if I'm bullish on a pair, I'm obviously expecting the previous day's high to be taken. Listen to that again, you guys, because it's such an easy thing that most of us, it goes over most of our heads. If I am bullish, I am looking for the previous day's high to be taken, vice versa with bearish. So what I saw, you guys, going back to that retail resistance, I'm actually going to keep this retail resistance up here so you guys can see it. About this retail resistance, I was targeting this retail resistance, and I was also targeting the previous day's high. You guys can see this is the 27th. You guys can see this is the 26th. So I was aiming for the previous day's high and this retail resistance right here for SMT for liquidity purposes. Another thing right here, you guys, I had lower time frame bearish structure get broken on the hour and the 4 hour with this big bullish run that we had right here. A lot of bullish order flow. You guys can see this is a big move. This is a 130 pip move. So this is a nice move that's showing us that price wants to go bullish. It gave us a big run, and it was showing us that we wanted to continue. So I'm going to point out on the 1 hour, you guys, we had this very nice 1 hour higher low. You guys can obviously see with this line right here that is higher than this low, so it's continuing bullish structure. I really like this 1 hour low that we have with this nice engulfing candle that engulfed about 40 pips plus. So that really had me feeling that price was going to continue its direction. The reason why I put my take profit right here, I'm getting ready to show you guys right now, is because we had another psych level right here, right after all those highs. I had a strong feeling that this psych level was going to respect, because we respected our support right here, right here, right here, you know, right here, right here, right here. So I had a feeling that we were going to respect, and we did. Honestly, I go by market structure, you guys, but honestly, if you want to throw a little Fibonacci on that thing, you can literally do so. As you can see, respected the 786 right here, which is just another confluence to add to all the other confluences that I already had before I entered this position. All right, guys, so I hope you like this video. I tried to make it short and sweet, so you guys aren't falling asleep real bored watching a long ass video. I really hope you got some value out of this. I really hope you learned something. I really want to put out a lot of fire content. I have a lot more fire content coming for you guys that's very educational. I really want to help the traders starting off, doing challenges. I just really want to help traders in general. I love helping people. It sounds weird, but I get really satisfied, and it's a really good feeling to me helping other traders succeed and helping other traders make money. So that's really all I want to do. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I have so much more coming for you guys, I promise. Leave a comment below another video that you want to see. I'm going to look at all my comments, I always do, and I'm going to take you guys into consideration of what I want to do for my next video. I can't remember if I called this trade out in the group or not, but I have a group. I trade GJ in the group. It's free to join. You don't have to pay any money. I'll link it down below. We call out trades. All right, so until next time, traders, stay beautiful. Hope everybody finishes out the week strong, the month strong. It's a brand new month, as you guys can see. So let's make sure August is a good one, man. I'm going on vacation soon. We're going to be trading. Super excited to put out this video and all the videos that I want to release for you guys. Until next time, y'all,
Peace out.
Later.